We've just seen how to back up our MySQL databases. Click on the Windows Start button and in the search box type cmd and click on cmd.exe to open a command window. In the command window, change directory to the MySQL bin directory by typing cd space c:\examp /mysql/bin and press enter. To make a backup of just one database, use the command mysqldump space -u space and then the username root. If your MySQL root user has a password, then you need to put -p password. That's literally -p with no space between that and the password itself. If your MySQL root user has no password, then omit the -p and the password. Then type the name of the database that you want to export. Then a forward-pointing arrow or greater than sign to direct the output to a file, and then the path and file name for the export file. I'll back up one database this way to show you. The name of the database I'll choose is demos. My root user has no password, so the command is mysqldump space -u space root space demos forward-pointing arrow and then c:\demos backup.sql. Press enter. See the backup file be created. To make a backup of all your databases, you can use the command mysqldump-u space root -p password if you need a password, otherwise leave that out, space -- all databases with a dash in the middle, and then the forward-pointing arrow, and then your path and file name. So in this case I'm going to do it into the root of C, so that's c:\allDatabases.sql. And here's the file alldatabases.sql in my file manager. That's how to back up your databases with MySQL.
If you want to read a detailed guide related to this video, I have the link in the video description. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel and visit my website tutsmake.com.